In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your email using Mailerlite. Whether you're gearing up for a big event or simply want to create a sense of urgency in your messages, having a countdown timer can be incredibly effective. So let's dive right in and explore how this can be done in a few easy steps. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the Mailerlite website. It's a fabulous tool for crafting email marketing campaigns that truly engage your audience. Once you've reached the site, click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Now, if you typically use Google to streamline your logins, you'll be pleased to know there's an option to sign in with Google, so just click that if it's your preferred method. Once logged in, head over to the campaigns section of the dashboard. This is where all of your ongoing and draft campaigns are housed. Look for the campaign you'd like to work on and click edit to jump into the creative process. Now here's where it gets exciting. Next, click on Edit Content because this is where we'll be embedding our countdown timer. As you hover over the special section on the side panel, you'll notice a variety of elements you can incorporate. But for our purposes today, locate the countdown timer widget. It's a simple drag and drop action, so go ahead and position it where you'd like in your email template. The customization doesn't stop there. Next, you'll set your timer by editing the expiration date. Be sure to select a date that's significant to your event or campaign deadline. It's crucial to set this correctly as it will impact how effective the sense of urgency feels. After setting up the expiration date, let's make sure the look and feel align with your brand or campaign theme. Customize the color of the countdown to match your desired aesthetic. Whether you want something bold and eye-catching or subtle and sophisticated, you can adjust the color accordingly. You also have the option to adjust the font style of the countdown to enhance readability and maintain brand consistency. Play around with this until you find something that feels right for your campaign. Finally, let's not overlook the background. Altering the background of the countdown element can have a big impact. You might choose to complement the overall color scheme of your email or create a contrasting effect to draw more attention to the countdown itself. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a countdown timer to your Mailerlite email. Remember, the key is to experiment with different styles and formats until you find what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.